This is part 2, making vinaigrette salad dressing. Okay, first of all, we're going to measure our wine vinegar. Here we're gonna be using 15 mils. Okay, so here is our 15 mils of wine vinegar. Then we put it in there. Next, we're gonna have to put in salt. This is our salt, so it just needs 0.5, which is a pinch. It's just a pinch. Okay, you put in there. That's our salt. Next, we're also gonna use our pepper, our white pepper. I'm gonna use a pinch of white pepper. Next, we need 30 mils of olive oil. So we're gonna put 2 of these measuring cups, which is 15 mils. So by 2 it's gonna make 30 mils. So it's gonna be 1. And after that, we're gonna put our honey. We need 1. Okay, for our honey, we need 1 milliliter of honey. This is our 1 milliliter of honey. Okay, next we need a pinch of ginger. So this is our ginger. We just need a pinch of that. We just need a pinch of ginger. Then this is a pinch of ginger. We put it inside. Then we need a pinch of mustard powder. And this is our mustard powder. Then last but not least, we need 2.5 milliliter of poppy seed. This is our poppy seed. We are done with putting our ingredients in one bowl. Then we mix together. Okay, so now our vinaigrette salad dressing is ready. Here, our salad vinaigrette is ready. Okay, so the 1 hour is now over. We're going to take our salad from the fridge and going to mix it with our vinaigrette dressing salad. Now we're going to add our vinaigrette dressing salad in here. And then we're going to mix it. Okay, so here we are done mixing our salad with the dressing. Salad with cheese with vinaigrette dressing salad, and this is the outcome of our salad. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.